Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a product catalog with Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. On the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Products section. Click on All Products to view your existing products. To add a new product, click the Add Product button located in the top right corner. In the Product Details page, enter your product title. Next, add a detailed description of the product. Include key features, benefits, and any unique selling points. Upload high-quality images of the product. Make sure the images are clear and show different angles. Set your product pricing in the pricing section. Decide if the product is on sale and adjust the price accordingly. In the inventory section, enter the SKU and quantity available. Also, specify if you want Shopify to track the inventory. Next, scroll down to the shipping section. Enter the product's weight and other shipping details. If applicable, check the box for "This is a physical product." Now, move to the variants section if your product has different options. Add any variants such as size, color, or style. Be sure to provide a price and SKU for each variant. Next, you'll want to set product visibility. Under the search engine listing preview, tweak the title and meta description for SEO. Once all details are filled out, you can save your product. After saving, you'll return to the All Products page. Now, let's create the product catalog. Navigate to Online Store from the dashboard. Select Pages from the drop-down menu. Click on Add Page to create a new page for your catalog. Enter a title for your catalog page. In the content editor, add a brief introduction about your catalog. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.